Hello my dear viewers, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well. So today's video is about Tutykid. Is new generation teaching platform for teaching English to children. So the platform is designed to function from the comfort of your home, where you can monitor it for every use. So I will be sharing with you the website in the description below, and I am going to also make a tutorial on their official website so that we can see everything together. Let's go. So hello back. As you can see, this is the Tutykid platform, online platform. This is the design of the look of the website that I'm going to share with you in the description below. Okay, these are the options: the home, our teachers, curriculum, get started, company news. Let's go to discover what are the news about this company. So as coronavirus has become an epidemic, our staffs are currently working remotely. They believe that it is essential to have people working as COVID-19 continues to spread around the world, and so on. You can see it and read it in your spare time. Please welcome our mascot QB to our classrooms, etc. Okay, they say that the school has been open to officially started its business. Okay, so that's all about news. Our teachers, let's see. So here they are showing us the map of the countries working and teachers, how they choose the teachers. So there are some requirements to follow. Here they used to accept the North American teachers are carefully vetted and selected. The primary requirement for joining Tutykid is for educators to be from North America. Their accent, manner, and lifestyle are clear indications of where they have grown up. Also, native speakers, their teachers go through a rigorous process prior to getting appointed in Tutykid. Their pronunciation is tested multiple times to ensure they deliver the best quality of education to the children. Cooperation and education, as you can see here, their teachers are having the higher education degree from accredited universities in North America and all over the world. Also having the corporations. If you want to start a free class, you can get access through this icon. There are some characteristics as well. So as you can see, this is the TBR option. Okay, have fun with your students, educated and smart, and so on. So these are the steps of teacher selection in the Tutykid. First, you have to submit your resume, you make your interview, mock class or demo class. You have to go through 2 mock classes, the first one and the second one, the background check and contact signing. Okay, so now we mostly know all the options about the website. If you wanna apply online, you can go scroll down and you will find you are a teacher. You just click on here. So I hope you enjoyed my today's video and you got something about the Tutykid platform, how to apply and all the company news, get started on all the related, like if you want to teach or to find relatives needs that you are looking for. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like my video, share it with your friends or family members, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. See you later. Bye.